are going to sleep again.
Wait, look at the tires. Shh. Right now? Watch us in your TV, not your tablet. Oh, now he's
No,
sleeping.
still sleeping.
Yeah, he has to go straight. I don't know. Okay, ready? You go back, and I think he's gonna do it. Yeah. He made it. He made it. Yeah, he made it. Is he good? No, still. No, it's good. It's okay. It's good. Oh my God! Look at the front wheels, right? Yeah. Like when it presses the brake, it keeps on moving. Wow. Look at the car, it's still stuck. He has trouble parking. Just parking the sides. No, I think that's a good idea. Present full speed. Are you okay? Oh no, look, the tire's stuck now, guys. No, the car's stuck. Oh no. No, my dad's gonna go outside and he's stuck. And I think he goes to that.
Murad! Murad! Front parking कर दें. Front parking. Come. Okay. Okay, Murad, ठीक है. That's enough. Snowstorm again in Canada.